OnePlus 10T is launching next week, and OnePlus has already revealed its design and key specs, including the SoC, cameras, RAM, storage, and screen refresh rate. Now, just a few days ahead of the unveiling, OnePlus has detailed the 10T's battery. OnePlus has announced that the 10T will pack a 4800 mAh battery, which is 200 mAh smaller than the 10 Pro's cell but supports faster charging. The OnePlus 10 Pro supports 65-watt charging in North America and goes up to 80-watt in other regions, but the 10T will support 150-watt charging, which OnePlus says will juice up the 4800 mAh cell from 1 to 100% in just 19 minutes. However, the 10T isn't the first OnePlus smartphone to support 150-watt charging, since OnePlus launched the OnePlus Ace and OnePlus 10R a few months ago with those charging speeds. Both pack 4500 mAh batteries, but there's also an 80-watt version of the 10R having a 5000 mAh battery under the hood. That said, like the 10 Pro, the 10T also won't charge at the maximum supported speeds in all regions. It will go up to 125 watt in North America, but that won't make a big difference since OnePlus says the 10T will only take a minute extra to go from 1 to 100%. The reason for reduced charging speed in North America is that the 150-watt Superbook Endurance Edition tech only supports charging outlets rated 220 volt or above, and in North America most outlets are rated at either 110 volt or 120 volt. The OnePlus 10T you purchase in North America will still go up to 150 watt in regions where the charging outlets are rated at 220 volt or more. The OnePlus 10T will be fully unveiled on August 3. It's confirmed to come with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, 120Hz screen, and triple rear cameras. The camera contains 50 megapixel primary, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel useless macro camera. The smartphone will run Oxygen OS 13 out of the box and have 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage on board. However, there will likely be more memory options that are yet to be confirmed. It also remains to be seen if OnePlus will launch a 10T with a bigger battery and slower charging speed like the 10R, or if there will be just one version. On the same day, OnePlus will also introduce the OnePlus Ace Pro in China, which is expected to be the OnePlus 10T for the Chinese market, running ColorOS instead of Oxygen OS. Thanks for the watching. See you in the next video.